Finding a place to live is important, but finding a home for your family is what it's all about. However, that can sometimes be a long, exhausting, costly process.
Why it is best to use a realtor is that the real estate agents know the laws with respect to buying and selling property. And also, they are typically very familiar with their work areas. Most people are looking for a good interest rate, a good neighborhood and community where they can raise their children. Some of the challenges that homeowners are facing today, interest rates are higher and inventory is down.
With over 25 years of experience in the Houston real estate market, Realm Real Estate Professionals has a huge team of experts that are ready to help you buy or sell your home.
My parents started Realm in 1997. My parents did try franchising, and they found that they couldn't make as much money with the franchises. They were having to pay a lot of fees, so they decided to go independent, and with their model that they developed for agents, it became really popular real quick. The reason I think that independent is better than franchising is that you can set your work operations, your model for agents, and your own pricing structure for commissions for agents. The advantage to working with family is we collaborate really well, and we also have a lot of fun. Our family's very close. Both our parents would always tell us, treat your clients with respect. You listen to them and you help them find the home.
Currently we have around 930 agents. You can find somebody that works in any part of the city. And collectively, they speak over 34 different languages. So many agents will specialize in the residential real estate. We do have some agents who specialize in commercial. Most of our homes are resale homes, but we do have a lot of agents who focus on new homes only.
At Realm Real Estate Professionals, agents are at the core of their own business and allowed to keep more of their hard-earned income to invest back in themselves and the clients they represent.
It's definitely a buyer's market right now. Buyers have an advantage because homes are staying on the market a little longer. They can pick and choose, can negotiate closing costs and price reductions. Sellers need to be more competitive with pricing. We need to come up with a strategy to market the property to help drive in those buyers. Because of the higher interest rates and the higher insurance premiums, a lot of the buyers are needing assistance with closing cost. It's my job to negotiate this cost or this credit from the seller to my buyer. So they do have that advantage.
Right now, there are over 48,000 properties for sale in the Houston Metroplex. That's why finding the right agent is so important.
Hiring the right real estate agent and brokerage makes a huge difference in buying and selling, as hiring the right real estate agent will help you through the negotiations, the marketing and pricing of your property.
My husband and I moved cross country from the East Coast in 2022. We had been working with other agents and we just didn't find anyone we really liked until we met Stacy at Realm. We really didn't have to worry about anything, and any questions that we had, she answered them.
Being an agent, no matter who you're with, you're an independent contractor, which means that this is your business. You should see fit to run the business, how you want to run it, but not be by yourself. So you have a team that can help you when you need it, but still you're the one in control.
If there's a home buyer out there looking to purchase, getting pre-approved is going to be the very first step. As for home sellers, before putting your home on the market is making sure that the home is staged, all repairs have been done, and pricing the home correctly.
When you come to Realm, I can tell you that we work very hard to make sure that all of the agents who work with us are consistently of the level that's going to give you confidence that you're going to find a good agent when you come here.
To learn more about Realm Real Estate Professionals, visit their website at realmpro.com, or you can watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.